Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'Hashem, Ba'Kakadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'Hashem, and the name of Mashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash, the Old Tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders, wa Akima Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of this recent news article from the JerusalemPost.com as of October 13, 2024. It reads, unprecedented Lebanese drone attack wounded 67 near the Binyamina 4 in critical condition. It says 2 drones were launched towards Israel, but one of the UAVs penetrated deep into Israel, crashing in the Binyamina area. No alarms were activated. It says a Hezbollah drone struck the Binyamina area on Sunday evening, wounding around 67 people, with 4 potentially mortally wounded. According to the Magen David Adom and the IDF, the drone was sent from Lebanon under the cover of a Hezbollah rocket barrage. 2 drones was launched towards Israel, 1 shot down over the sea, but one of the drones penetrated deep into Israel, crashing into the area. No warning sirens were activated, which the IDF will be probing. And this is the book of St. Mark, chapter 13, verse 7. And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. Be ye not troubled, for such things must need be, but the end is not yet. Right, so this example of wars and rumors of wars. As we've been seeing, escalation has been heating up between the borders of Lebanon and Israel, especially the southern part of Lebanon, of Hezbollah versus the Israel Defense Force. Between the 2 borders of the 2 ethnicity groups of different nations rising up against one another. The Israel Defense Force going against the Hezbollah, which is a pro-Iranian group. This is St. Mark chapter 13, verse 8. For nation shall rise against nation, right? Hezbollah versus the IDF. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. And there shall be earthquakes in diverse places, and there shall be famines and troubles. These are the beginning of sorrows. And this is Revelation 11, verse 14. The second will pass, behold, third will come quickly. Right, second will pass, behold, third will come quickly. Armageddon, Armageddon 1. See if I can get some more updates about it from the time of Israel. Because we're going to be seeing, the increasing escalations are heating up on both sides. The Israel Defense Force going against Hezbollah. It says 67 people injured, 4 critical as Hezbollah drone strikes in Binyamina area. 5 people were in serious conditions, around 14 moderately hurt. Gallant says it will ensure groups did not return to Lebanon border villages. Rockets target Haifa intercepted above the city. The IDF said Hezbollah fired rockets and missiles from the beside the UNIFIL post. It says Israel officially denies the report was instructed to curb attacks in Beirut. It says, this is 4 minutes ago. It says, rockets target Haifa intercepts seen above the city. Rockets was launched in Haifa a short time ago, intercepted or seen above the city. The IDF says missiles have fired rockets and missiles from the beside of the UNIFL post. Around 20 rockets and missiles were fired at the Israeli town forces by Hezbollah from next to the UNIVIL post over the past month. The IDF says one of the attacks launched from next to the UNIFIL position killed two IDF soldiers, according to the IDF Arabic language spokesperson. Right, so once again, 67 people injured and four critical as Hezbollah drone strikes the area. Five people were in serious conditions, around 14 moderate hurt. Gallant says Israel will ensure do not return to Lebanon border villages. Excuse me. And this is Revelations 11 verse 14. The second will pass. Behold, third will come quick. Like Armageddon, Armageddon 1. And this is the book of Matthew 24 verse 6. And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that you be not troubled, for all these things must first come to pass, but the end's not yet. Right, wars and rumors of wars. Hezbollah versus the IDF between the borders of Lebanon and Israel. Matthew 24 verse 7. For nation shall rise against nation and kingdom against kingdom. There shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from I would say from RT. Oh, I think it's from the Jerusalem Post. Yeah, it was from the Jerusalem Post. Look it back up once again. Yep, as it says once again, right, because this was a recent news article, as it says again, as of October 13th, 2024, and last updated on October 13th, 2024, and it reads again, an unprecedented Lebanese drone attack wounded 67 and four in critical conditions. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying. With that, I'd like to give all praises, glory, and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem Makakadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son Ba'Hashem, and the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Nashwan Kadash their tongue. I say Barakatham to the elders, Ma'akim Ma'akwaf. Till next time, I will say Shalom.